Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the iPhone XS and making the basic connections. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once done, swipe up and follow language prompts. Connect to a trusted Wi-Fi network so activation and downloads are fast. Sign in with your Apple ID when prompted because it links contacts, iCloud, and App Store purchases. Make sure to enable Face ID setup now. It secures your phone and speeds daily unlocking. Once Face ID and passcode are done, you choose how to set up data. You can restore from iCloud to keep apps and settings, or set up as new for a clean start. Pick what to sync to iCloud so storage stays tidy. Go through location, photos, and microphone permissions to control privacy and app behavior. Then enable Find My iPhone and iCloud backup to protect and recover your data. These steps prevent future headaches and keep settings consistent. You finish by learning core navigation and tweaking essentials. Practice swiping up to return home, swipe down for Control Center, and swipe across the bottom for the app switcher so your workflow is smooth. Visit settings to adjust display and brightness, sound, and haptics so the phone feels personal. Make sure Do Not Disturb and notifications are configured for focus. If something misbehaves, force restart or reset network settings as a reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.